their habits, their so the love marriage is good, and the marriage is not marriage. Main meaning of the marriage is the two souls, the two bodies are knows each other very well, and if we do arranged marriage, then both are not known, no, both they do not knows each other very well, because the parents decided to their children marriage. So arranged marriage is, in my opinion, arranged marriage is not good.
But ma'am, what
And
about the
sometimes
society and family? Both society and family, they don't accept love marriage very easily. They create some problem.
it is depend upon the girl and boy. Uh, uh, they सर वो लोग अपने पेरेंट्स को मना लें,
They can convince their parents.
they convince their parents, and love marriage convert into arranged marriage. So it is very sufficient for them,
Okay.
and they help to their life easily, and
Okay.
they they have no problem in their life.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, Ravi Chaudhary, please start.
ma'am, you are right, but I say that it is not Indian culture.
It is not Indian culture,
Every parents that
but now we see that if we do if the in our society dowry is main problem. If we do arranged marriage, the parents both are parents of the boy demands more money. And if the society, if our society is very back, if we compare to the Western society. Well, in our society, if we do arranged marriage, dowry system is a very big problem. And if the daughter is born in our home, and the parents are worried their future, because the parents have no sufficient money. They worried about their daughter.
ma'am, you say that dowry is main problem according to love marriage.
Yes.
But it is our guilty, because if we go to we go to any person, any house, first of all I say that what is want, what want you.
What is the demand of yours, right?
Yes. Uh, Sometimes we see that if we the boys parents are not demand before the marriage, but the girls are, when the girls went their house, they demands, and they quarrel, and their husband is also not support her. So it is very difficult to the girl ki how can she manage.
Ma'am, you are
So
talking about the dowry system. This can happen in the love marriage also.
the
It is
dowry
not only the
system
problem of
and
arranged marriage. It is the problem of love marriage also. Sometimes there can be some problem, such as after the marriage, person who has done love marriage can start demanding for the dowry. It can happen in the love marriage also.
so nowadays
Marriage has many
so
problem.
we see that many times the dowry, if we do arrange marriage, many cases in our court, that we do the arranged marriage, and the separation are day by day increase, because of the
Okay.
because of the money. And sometimes we see that the brooms are not matched with her wife, so it is not good.
Ma'am, I would like to make one thing clear, that dowry system is completely illegal. But in my opinion, if somebody is giving something by his or her own wish, then it is not that much wrong. If they want to give something to the daughter, then they can give in
But
by the
sir,
name of gift. by the name of some part of property. That will be
Sir,
fine if they
this
are giving.
will, sir,
But-
it is not a present time dowry system is continue. It is the past time. Past time is also, we see that the dowry system in the Buddha's time and Mahavir's time, that this is the also demand. But on those days, the parents give the present willingly. But nowadays, it is a demand forcefully.
Okay,
And
all right.
yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ravi, your voice is cracking, so let
Ma'am,
Priya
in
speak
rural
something.
area.
Let Priya speak.
I clear.
Yes, Priya, please.
That is, these days, before marriage, um, these days, people are talking before marriage, even in arranged marriage. And
Yes.
in love marriage, youngster may confuse attraction or love.
Yes, exactly, ma'am.
And
Exactly.
dowry is love marriage and also in arranged marriage.
Yes, Vimi ma'am. Have you understood what she means to say? She's saying that
Yes.
they get the time before the marriage, means after the engagement and before the marriage, there's a time period. So couples can talk to each other and can understand their feelings, nature, behavior, each and everything, right? You were saying about understanding for the love marriage. It can happen in the arranged marriage also. And she's saying in the love marriage, they don't have a support. So sometimes they can take some wrong step. They are unable to identify the person's personality in the proper manner. But in the arranged marriage, they have their parents, they have experience, they can choose better person for their kids. So that's why
Sir,
arranged
but
marriage
sir,
is better. She means to say that.
many waste of money and many waste of money like as
This is
pakki
of
haldi,
money.
waste of
Okay.
money
Yes, a lot of expenses are
but
there in
sir,
the arranged marriage.
and many problems are arranged marriage.
Right,
To
right,
cut a long story, love marriage is better than arranged marriage.
right. Divyanshi, you want to say something? Divyanshi?
I want to say that love marriage is better than arranged marriage because in love marriage, partners have many time to understand about that. Now, Priya, they say they have time after engagement to understand each other, but they have time after engagement. Now, they have a tag that they engage each other. But in love marriage, the partner have lots of time that they understand with each other what the feeling is there in between them.
Okay.
Is a crush, a attraction, or a life partner feeling. They understand what they do.
Okay. But I would
Divyanshi,
like
you
to
say
say
that.
one thing. In the love marriage, it has been seen that love marriages are not that much successful. Arranged marriages are more successful. Yes,
Okay,
Ravi Chaudhary, you were saying some. Yeah, Priya.
Sir,
Priya. Yes, Priya.
sir, I want a sir. Divyanshi want to say that more expand your time, but I want to say that of more expand time, and they know their weakness, and they do not respect their parents. Many every parents wants that their wife means their respect.
And in arranged marriage, you search through several sources to
Mm-hmm.
select your life partner, like
Yes.
matrimony and other apps.
Right,
Uh,
right, right, right,
because
right. We
according
have
to
so many options.
yes, sir,
But
and
yeah,
according to
but
Bombay High Court hearing, divorce are मतलब बहुत से ऑप्शंस होते हैं, ये अरेंज्ड मैरिज में कम होते हैं एंड लव मैरिजेस में ज्यादा होते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू
Okay.
बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट हियरिंग.
Okay,
But
all
sir,
right.
nowadays, but sir, nowadays divorces are many cases in love marriage because before marriage the boys are bought by her parents.
No, Priya was saying something. She was saying that there was complete attraction before the marriage, but after the marriage they get some responsibilities, so they forget each and everything that what we were doing before the marriage, exchanging the gifts, going for dates, to forget everything after the marriage. They go into a responsible situation, so they are unable to show all those things. That's why they start getting disputes. They start having grudges. Girls say, women say that, you are not taking me to the movie, you are not taking me to the date, we are not going anywhere to visit before the marriage was done. Now your love has been decreased. But but
So it is
uh,
it is not necessary that love is increased after marriage, because it is they both are mature, and if they are mature and they decided the love marriage is good for both, then it is not issue that you are not giving me more time, so your love is not much for me. So so it is the love marriage or arranged marriage, both in the both types, it is we it is मतलब इन दोनों में ही मतलब दोनों की अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है कि because when the responsibilities is increased day by day, and then if we do love marriage, then both are not do some too much time, they do not give gifts and other things. So it is we don't say that if we do love marriage, then the girls say that you don't give me anything, you don't do time. So it this problem is come to love marriage and both marriage both.
Yeah,
ma'am,
absolutely right, ma'am. This
Because
problem is in both, uh, in love marriage or and in arranged marriage. But I want to say one point that um, in love marriage, that Priya say after in arranged marriage, uh, the partner says that you not give me that much of time and gifts that you gave me before marriage. So I want to say that they have time in love marriage. They have time for that they gift each other. They give time to each other. But in arranged marriage, they have no time for that. They know each other after marriage, and they consume many time to know
but Divyanshi,
each other
arranged marriage is a proper process. First of all, they choose the partner according to their own wish, and their parents are there who are guiding them, right? And there's a proper arrangement. Everybody comes together. There's a get together. They enjoy dancing and having food. There are some
Parents,
customs, and there are so many things in the arranged marriage, which is good. It is not there in the love marriage. Love marriage is done very
but
secretly.
It is
parents,
also in love marriage, na? It is also we
no,
do
In
in
some
love
of the
marriage.
cases, when parents are agreed, then in these cases you can find love marriages are done in the proper manner. Otherwise, most of the cases these are done secretly. Okay, Priya, you wants to say something? Priya, you want to say something? Please
parents
say.
और सब जो हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं and think about our future and
Mhm.
economic condition. And
Yes.
according to a research conducted by American psychologists, love in arranged marriage grows with time, but love marriage stands off. अ, मतलब एक समय के बाद लव
Hmm.
मैरिज में धीरे धीरे लव क्या है मतलब खत्म होते जाता है, ये ऐसा उन्होंने
Okay.
रिसर्च में अपने बताया है.
Okay. To the
और
certain
इन
point.
अरेंज
To the certain
इन
point.
अरेंज मैरिज ग्रोज विद टाइम टू टाइम,
Okay.
मतलब समय
Right.
से बढ़ता जाता है.
ठीक है.
but the
Let's take some
and
opinion
once
of Priyanka ma'am and Pooja ma'am also. They both haven't spoken anything. So एक point आप लोग कुछ रखिए अपनी तरफ से. Pooja ma'am.
Arranged marriage, the couple most likely thinks about both of their families.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
So they will learn to adjust
It is a
with
contact of two
with
families also. Yes.
very good quality relationship.
Yes, it is a contact of two families also. It is not the contact of only two persons. In the love marriage, only two persons are becoming couple and they are going to match their life with each other. But in the arranged marriage,
two families, right?
families also come together. Okay, Priyanka ma'am, you say something about love marriage or arranged marriage. What do you feel?
Arranged marriage is good because he has the blessing of his elders, parents are together, मतलब
Yes,
माता पिता साथ में रहते हैं,
yes. There's a support of
parents are,
parents.
yeah, yes, I believe parents who take a decision
Cannot be wrong.
are good.
Cannot be wrong. Yes. Parents will take decision and they will not be taking wrong decision because they have the experience. They have seen
Yes,
the
sir.
world. They have seen ups and downs.
For
They
their
know each and
मतलब
everything.
पेरेंट्स ये डिसीजन है बच्चों के लिए अच्छा है, मतलब ये
Okay, it is
जो
good
भी
decision.
पेरेंट्स
But many times we saw that if we do arranged marriage, the parents are not good for them because they if they both are quarrel with each other, they favor to their result is that the girl is girl girl and the boy are not understand with good understand with they can't understand, and they and the their conflict is increased day by day, and the result is they do divorce, and the reason is only for their parents. And many times we saw in the paper and one sanstha is that is called Achik Bureau, and they said many times the parents parents are the reason for their divorce and the break down their marriage. So it is not necessary that parents are good for them. It is that it is very necessary that the understanding of the both are very important for the marriage life, and they survive if they both are understanding good.
Sir, one question, sir.
But many